Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. This one, we take a Model X and we completely customize it in a very unique way with custom, handmade, new interior, front to back, top to bottom. So we're gonna show you the whole process of what it looked like before, during, and after, and the transformation is pretty cool. What's up? How's it going? This is gonna be fun. Doing good, man. It's good. Well, I'm excited to see this whole process. You guys are really, I mean, you're artists. I mean, it's a craft.
Oh, it's a beautiful art.
It's a craft.
It's gonna look amazing too. I was looking at the different paneling from the inside.
Yeah. Did you see the color of the car?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, that dark green with the
it looks so good.
It's gonna look really classy. Kind of a timeless, and it'll be different. You know.
Yeah.
Won't be like every other. So
No.
I want to have customers. I mean, I want to have people say, "Hey, do that for me."
Yeah,
that's the whole
that's the
point.
whole end goal.
Yeah. It's exactly. Is hey, you guys can do that because we've been asked a lot over the years, and we've never been able to offer anything to people. So this will be cool. Marcus.
Howdy.
What's up, man? Should we go? I want to look at the car, and then I want you to talk about your business, explain your history, and then I want to go back and look at the leather and look at the shop and talk to the guys. What's up? And I don't even know if we want to take like a piece of the leather out and like put it down to kind of see. Do you have a bigger piece of it other than the swatch?
We have.
I think it'd be fun to take a piece out and kind of.
So we can just pretend whatever.
Yeah.
We're picking one out.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
We have that right here.
Okay. Which one is it? Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So
really nice.
yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So yeah, you want to come out and we'll look at the car. So have you seen it yet in person, Marcus?
Yeah, it was here.
Oh, that's right. They keep bringing it and taking it back. I mean, it turned out really pretty, don't you think?
Yeah, no, the forest green with brown.
Yeah, it's kind of a matte, and we've got a little ding we've got to fix and stuff. But yeah, I mean, when you pop this open, tell me, like, educate me. Is it every single piece of leather that's anywhere gets replaced, or is there some stuff that does or doesn't?
Most of the time, most door panels are a different color. If it's two-tone, it's this center piece that gets.
Okay. Yep.
And that kind of ties in the seat there.
Yep.
This stays.
Okay.
This stays. Then that kind of goes with.
Yep. I kind of like how you got some black and some.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call it chocolate brown. I don't know what it's called.
If you recall on the other Teslas, you have a two-tone, the white and black.
Yes.
Basically, if this was the white and black style,
Yep.
The white would be replaced with brown.
Got it. Got
So
it.
usually this is white.
Got
So
it.
this will be brown.
Okay.
And then this will be the stain.
Stay there.
Yeah.
And then does this get changed? I think it.
That is an option that we can.
I think it'd look really beautiful if we
It
did.
would probably tie in the Broncos that we do that.
Yeah.
The top portion.
I think to your point, just do whatever Tesla does. And I'm pretty sure Tesla makes this white.
No, they leave that black.
Do they really?
Yeah, so the sun doesn't
Really?
range.
But I think
So-
it's
but
such
there
a
is-
showcase of the beauty right
it
there. It's like,
is.
wow, really pretty.
Yeah, so that could be an option. We'll look at it if
Okay.
that pops off.
Yeah.
And if it does, then we'll think about it.
Sure,
But
yeah.
We might just keep it black.
I trust you guys.
But other pieces we could as
Okay.
we go through it. But
Okay.
for sure the seats, center console.
Back, like this piece on the back and the head and stuff, right?
That no, we'll leave that.
And then what about the here? Is it? I mean, is it this part, this outer piece here?
We can do a two-tone, but I think we're planning on just doing it all brown.
The whole thing? That's
Yeah.
fine. Yeah,
This will
I
be
don't know the
black.
answer.
This will be, the plastic will be black.
Yeah,
and
for
then
sure.
The brown there.
Okay.
So it kind of ties in.
And then, I mean, I probably should have gotten this crap out of the back, but is there anything at all that? I mean, the seats, front of the seats,
but
obviously.
we usually don't touch the back.
Yeah, I don't think there is anything that would go, yeah. What about, yeah, I mean, it makes sense, right? That there wouldn't be anything else. Okay. And this is a 2-week job, right? Roughly?
Yeah, right.
I'm going to give you his number, and then you can call him and say, hey, today'd be a good day to come over, and
If you can.
and
Okay.
I'll come with him. And we're going to kind of give an update and look at it and stuff. So, because we really want to show the whole process. Well, let's go look. Should we go look at your shop and look at the leather options and stuff? Oh, wow. I've never been back here.
So that's just the sewing part, these tables here.
Yep.
Assembly and disassembly when the cars are in here.
Okay.
Cars stored back here to do.
Yeah, you got a pretty
We had
decent
some-
sized storage
We
lot.
had some cool cars just this morning.
Yeah, that's okay. We'll get those.
Little Porsche,
Yeah.
and Ferraris. And
Do you do a lot of like older stuff that, you know,
Yeah.
what would you call it?
usually- well, we have a 35 in here.
Classic.
Classic, yes, thank you, yeah. Oh, dang.
35 in here.
Well, how long has this been here?
Just about a month.
Okay, and they want you to totally, are they trying to get you to make it look like the original?
No, we're gonna.
No.
It's not.
Or you're going to customize
If you
it?
just look, it's nothing original about this car, but
Is this your own project or a customer's project?
customer's project. I don't know how to operate.
It doesn't even want to open.
So it's not custom.
Oh, yeah.
So it's
Dude, how cool though. This
so
thing will be fun.
yeah.
Someday when I make it big, I'm going to electrify some cars like this.
Next year.
Yeah, I don't know about that, but I do. I want to find some cars that you would never in a million years
Well,
would
you
think of
talked
as an
about
electric.
I want to do the 911.
Oh, that's right. Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
We haven't talked about that in a while. I forgot about that. Yeah.
I'm just ready for the Capital person.
Yeah, well, I want to do it. I really do. I think, talk about a great content video. So this is cool, though. I really, suicide doors.
Suicide, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. This would be fun to roll around in. So these are the ones we looked at. So we know we want like a chocolate brown. Now, the person we're doing this for doesn't like being on camera, so we're just saying it's somebody that is special to EV Auto. So I have some insight here. I think we had talked about, weren't we talking about these three right down here at the bottom?
A little darker one, but then we ended up
Which one do you have?
that one.
Over here. What's this called?
Everyone has their name, but they're all the same. Every manufacturer has their name.
Do you think that's chocolate brown? Is that a
Chocolate I would consider
would be darker?
more-
Yeah. Okay. What do you think that is?
It's just a brown. It's just
Okay.
it's
I like that.
seems like
It's just a
it-
brown.
yes.
Is it too hard to take it over and put it right on the seat? I don't want to damage it. I just kind of want to see when we drape it over the seat what it looks like against the. Oh yeah, that'll look really cool. I mean, classy. Just like a really classy look. I mean, I like that a lot. And then we talked about replacing this with like a carbon fiber, but I actually really like that. I think that'll look really nice. Dude, I love it, man.
And it's actually kind of fairly.
It is. It's got some, yeah, it's got some colors in there. Okay, well, she's all yours. We got her charged up to like 80, 90%, so should be, I'll bring this back in, we'll hang it back up, but can't wait to watch the process, man. Headed over to Fox Valley to check out the custom Model X. Anyway, I'm really excited to see this interior. I've seen pictures and it looks killer. So let's go see how they're doing. What's up, guys?
What's new?
Okay, I'm excited. Let's see it. Got some steering wheels. I bet those are ours too, huh?
Well, some of them.
Some of them? Ooh, wow.
That color.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that looks so good.
I love dark brown, but we just couldn't get it. to
It's
match
great.
with it.
No, it's
So,
great, man.
but this one
Oh,
pops.
oh, that is so good looking. Guys, that is really beautiful. You know, when you step back here, when I walk through the door right here, yeah, I mean, you can see that. Yeah, gosh, it's really cool. It's gonna be great. Okay, looks awesome.
Well, let's look at the door panel. Just
Oh, you got more?
here. So,
Okay.
so there's mainly 4 sections.
Okay.
This is the front door.
Yep.
So there's the upper and the middle part and the lower.
Okay.
This is all going to be the same color. So this, and this.
I think you should leave this.
Well, that's it right there.
Oh,
You can-
never
you can
mind.
decide.
Oh, crap.
We haven't
I don't know.
done
I just, because it's kind of a cool textured material that's
is.
different than the leather.
It's the fabric because there's a speaker behind it, and so we'd use perforations so the sound will still go.
I mean, I didn't mean to burst your bubble. It's the only section that you've done.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I just thought it might.
That's a rear door panel, so that middle section is going to be brown with the black. Top
So,
and bottom.
so this will be brown. No, this will stay black.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In the middle.
And this will stay. So this will go brown. This will stay brown. This will stay black.
Yep.
I'm going to use your judgment. If you think it'll look better like that, the only reason I thought is it kind of does. It's just a different texture, right? It's like leather, and then I don't know what you'd call that. It's a fabric, right?
Yeah.
Cloth.
That's the only piece in there that is that too.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm gonna use your judgment.
No, we can. We'll put it up to it and see.
Yeah,
what
we'll
it's
see
like.
what everything looks like.
Okay.
Well,
'Cause
maybe
we
we'll
have
put these
one
two-
done like that, so when we finish the rest of it, we'll be able to see what it looks like contrasted.
Okay. Cool.
But yeah,
Sweet.
We're about
Next
we're
week
about
sometime.
halfway done.
Yeah.
With the
Cool.
with the leather change and stuff
Yeah.
like that, but we're good in the holidays.
Yeah. So you think next week? End of next week?
Yeah.
Be done?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hopefully.
Yeah, because we got a few other things we're gonna do to the car too. So okay, great. Just call me next week, I guess, when you're ready for the pickup. Okay. Thanks, you guys. Okay. See ya. Cool. That is looking really, really good. Really good. Here we go. Long time coming. This has been like, I mean, they've been working on this for a good 3 weeks, I think. Wow. Well, just the interior anyway. Yeah, come look. So we did the dark green matte wrap, right? That looks good. All right, here we go. The big reveal. Oh, woo! Look at that, folks.
So cool. Oh, that color's gorgeous.
What do you think, ladies?
Oh, I love it.
That looks good.
Even on the
yoke.
Yeah, I didn't know he was gonna do that. I'm like the steering wheel.
It looks good.
It's freaking awesome.
That interior looks so good.
You're a craftsman. I'm serious.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's,
It's a craft.
Between the two different colors, reminds me of yeah, very much so. Not boring.
No, it's not boring, and it's unique. And with the green, oh my gosh, that looks so good. What do you think, Bryce?
Peanut butter anything's kind of my favorite thing.
Is it really? This is very cool. You know what we should do, Marcus? Have you seen the key holders we have? The leather key holders?
Oh.
I should have you make one out of that material.
match it?
Yeah.
Oh, that would.
Don't you think that'd be cool?
That-
I'll show you one of ours that we just have in black, but it'd be pretty cool to make
it
one
would.
match it. So,
Maybe with their name on it.
Yeah.
Whoever bought it.
yep. So tell me the details. Like, tell me, it's taken 2 or 3 weeks of hand crafted time,
Well,
right?
It's the finding out all the all the specialty things to make it work.
Yep.
But now the second one would be even faster.
Sure.
But it's the first initial one that takes a little time. But,
Yeah. It's super cool.
The fun one. They're built different.
Yeah, they are.
They're
Yep.
The tolerances on the Teslas are very tight, and so when we change something, this is something that we have to address.
Yeah, so like, I was gonna say, what do we do with something like that?
It hits this.
Oh, okay. So,
because of the thickness,
Yeah,
that little
yeah.
thickness of the leather.
it's so tight up there, it does
so
that.
We're just gonna
Okay.
have to figure something
Yeah,
out like
there'll
that.
be little tweaks
So,
and stuff. Yeah, cool.
But that's
Cool.
about all that I mean, the tightness of the corners here, they're going to
Yep.
have wrinkles here.
Yep.
Even the stock one has that.
Yeah, no, they do. I
But
I
the
know that.
leather-
I've seen that enough
But
times
the
to
leather
know.
has a little
Yeah.
bit more.
Yeah.
Through time, it'll probably soften up a little bit, but it's consistent, so it doesn't. It works.
It's dope. It's dope. It's really cool. You did a great job, man. Awesome, dude. Thanks again.
Awesome.
Are you daughter?
Daughter, yeah.
Yeah, I'm Alex.
She's my driver.
Yes. Okay, cool. All right. I'll talk to you soon.
Yep.
Thanks a lot. All right, guys, there you go. How about that for a transformation? That interior turned out awesome. We're definitely going to do it again. So thank you so much for following along. Another day in the life here. This one was cool. Really appreciate you guys. Can't thank you enough. If you've not already, subscribe. And if you want to buy a car from us, you can go to evauto.com. If you want to sell me your car, you can go to iBuyTeslas or iBuyRivians.com or another brand, buymyev.com. So we sell EVs, we buy EVs. We're nationwide. We pick up in your driveway. We wire you money quickly. We ship cars to you directly. Anyway, it's a fun business. We have customers all over the country. And I'm not wearing any right now, but if you like our merch, the hats, the hoodies, the t-shirts with the EV logo, you can go to evmerch.com and you can buy all the stuff that we wear. Again, last thing, thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching. And until next time, nice talking to you.